Hello students, how are you today? Fine. Okay, I am also fine. Hello, this is today's subject. So today we are again going to revise what is meant by repeated subtraction. So last time we understood what is meant by repeated addition. So repeated addition means multiplication, isn't it? So today we are going to revise about repeated subtraction. Now look in the first domain. Fill in the blanks. Yes. First question. So there is a number 40 from which a number is subtracted repeatedly. So as you can see, 4 is subtracted from 40 again and again and again. So 40 is the number from which 4 is subtracted. How many number of times? See, count the number of 4s here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4 is subtracted 9 times from 40. So first write 40. Write the minus sign. Open a bracket like this. Which is the number which is repeatedly subtracted? 4, correct. So 4 is subtracted. How many number of times it has been subtracted? 9 times. So multiply a symbol 9. So 4 is 9 times subtracted from 40. So this is the meaning of the first example. So 40 is the number from which 4 is subtracted repeatedly 9 number of times. Is this understood? Okay, so let us move to the second question. Can you see the second question? 27 is the first number which is mentioned. Meaning 27 is the number from which the remaining numbers are subtracted, repeated. So 27. What is subtracted? 3 is subtracted. How many number of times? 1 time, 2, 3. So 3 times 3 is subtracted from 27. So how shall we write it as an expression? We can write it as an expression like this. 27 minus symbol, bracket open, 3 is the number which is subtracted. How many number of times? Multiply symbol 3 times. 3 is the number subtracted from 27. How many number of times? 3 times. Shall we move on to the third question? Have you understood the first and the second question? Good. So let us move to the third question. 66 is the number which is subtracted from 66. 6 is subtracted. How many number of times? Can you count? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. 6 is subtracted 6 times from 66. So what shall we write first? Yes, 66 is to be written first. Correct? From this number, 6 is subtracted. Correct? So write the minus sign. Open a bracket. 6 is the number subtracted. So 6 is the number. How many number of times? 6 times. So multiplication sign 6 times. So 66 minus bracket open. 6 multiplied by 6 bracket close. So this is the expression which is required to explain what is on the left side. So in these 3 examples we have seen that a number from a number, another number which is repeatedly subtracted. So repeated subtraction means nothing but division. So as we knew earlier, repeated addition means multiplication. So repeated subtraction means division. So now we are going to do two more work examples here. That is the fourth question and the fifth question in the main first main. Let us try to understand it a bit more easy examples. So 45 is the number. See, this 45 is the number from which 5 is repeatedly subtracted. So what you write first? Correct? 45 is written, then subtraction sign, open bracket, 5 is subtracted, right? So 5 is written, and then you will have to count the how many number of times 5 is repeated. How many number of times? Exactly 2 times. So put multiply sign and 2. So this is the expression which is going to be the answer for this fill in the blanks. Now the fifth one is quite simple, more simple than the fourth question. Here you see 80 is the number from which something is subtracted. So write 8 minus 8. What is subtracted? 8 is subtracted. Good. So 8 is subtracted. But how many number of times 8 is subtracted? I can see only one 8 here. So 1 time 8 is subtracted. So this means that I have to write here multiply sign and 1. So this is the solution for the fifth example. So we have understood by solving 5 examples in the first main. We will move on to the next main then. Second main. Complete the missing numbers. So that is half of the answer already provided. Sometimes on the left side, sometimes on the right side. All we have to do is, if we have understood this first main correctly, we can easily solve the second main. Because half the answer is already given there, isn't it? So, let us see what is given and then we will write the answer. So what is given on the left side of the equal to sign? Left side of the equal to sign, 30 is written, minus sign, bracket open, 2 multiplied by something, dash, bracket close. So I cannot get a complete idea with this part, so we have to look to the right side. So what is it equal to? So it is equal to this something. So what is given here? Oh yeah, 30 is given, just like here, okay, 30. From which 2 is subtracted, this is the meaning, isn't it? 2 is subtracted, good. But how many times 2 is subtracted? That is not given. Shall I count it here and write it there? Correct, isn't it? So, how many times 2 is repeated? 1, 2, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, 2 is repeatedly subtracted 9 times from 30. So let us write here. So that is the missing number. 2 is repeatedly subtracted 9 times from the number 30. So now it is easy for us to go with the other 4 questions here. So let us do it quickly. 112 is the number from which 8 is subtracted. How many number of times? Not given. So let us see how many number of times it is there. Minus 8 is repeated twice. So 112, 8 is subtracted 2 times. So we write here 2. Is it easy? Shall we move to the next one? This is the third question, which is even more simple. 44 is a number from which 4 is subtracted. How many number of times? Not given. So let us see here. 44, 4 is subtracted only 1 time, isn't it? So it is easy. I only have to write here 1 time. 4 is subtracted once from the number 44. Next one, again the same type of problem. 44 is a number from which 4 is subtracted. But here, as you can see, left side of the answer, part is given, right side you have to write the answer just like we did it in the first one. So 44 minus 4. 4 is repeatedly subtracted. How many number of times? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is subtracted from 44 4 times. So 44 minus 4 4 times. This is clear? Let us move to the last question. So fifth question, 27 is the number from which 3 is subtracted. How many number of times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So 3 is repeatedly subtracted 6 times from the number 27. So it can be written in the, like as an expression as 27 minus 3 multiplied by 6. So 3 is 6 times repeatedly subtracted from 27. Now are these two mains clear? Clear. So shall we do some home assignment? This you have to do all by yourself. So you can refer back to the video in case you have a doubt how to do the first main and how to do the second main, because I have given you the home assignment which is the similar. First main related to the first main and second main related to the second main. So let us see the questions. So the questions are like this. First main, fill in the blanks. First question, 44 minus 4 minus 4 is equal to dash. So in the place of a dash, you will have to fill an expression. The expression should be like this, like the number, minus symbol, bracket open, and the number which is subtracted, multiply symbol, and how many number of times that number is subtracted. So this is the way in which you have to write the expression. It should look like this, but related to this question. The second question is similar. We have 5 questions here. Second question is 30 minus 3 minus 3 is equal to dash, where you have to write in the expression. Third one is 54 minus 6 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 minus 6. Okay? So you can read the next question. 70 minus 7 minus 7 minus 7 minus 7 minus 7. Fourth question, fifth question, 40 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4. Second, complete the missing numbers. 84 is given on the right side, the left side. 84 minus 7 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 is equal to, expression is half given, fill in the blanks here with the number of repetitions. Easy, isn't it? So the remaining 4 questions are of the similar type. 72 minus 8 into dash is equal to 72 minus 8 into 8 into 8 into 8 into 8, sorry, minus 7 minus 8 minus 8 minus 8 minus 8 minus 8 minus 8. So 72 minus 8. 44 minus 4 into dash. Here they fill in the, you have to fill this with the number. So here it is given in detail. So 44 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4. Next, 45 minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 is equal to 45 minus 5 into dash. 80 minus 8 is equal to 80 minus bracket open 88 minus 88 multiplied by dash. So you have to fill this with the proper number. So this is the homework. So this you have to do it on your own. In case you still need help of going through the video again, you have not understood, please take help of your parent. But it is advisable you do it yourself because it is quite easy. Right? Thank you.